Hello, I'm Sugar and welcome to my channel. If you are an Asmrtist and you've been hearing all about the new YouTube feature Shorts and you have been wondering how you can use this to build your channel, then I'm going to help you to tell you all the ways that you can use it and all the things that you might be wondering about but you are not so certain about, because I know there are lots of questions about the new YouTube Shorts feature. So if you want to learn all about it, just keep watching. So YouTube brought out a new feature called Shorts, which is very similar to YouTube Stories, but the difference is that this Shorts actually still remain on your page. It doesn't delete after 24 hours or whatever time limit that Stories has. It actually stays forever and ever. And what is so awesome about this is because since it's so similar to Shorts, little ASMR channels that still haven't reached the 10k requirement to actually have stories can still use the opportunity to broadcast themselves. So if you do want to grow your channel, especially a small ASMR channel, through the new YouTube Shorts, what you need to do is actually to put them out there, because this creates awareness. This Shorts are being shown to various people that are not subscribed to you, both subscribed and non-subscribers, so you actually get the opportunity to reach farther than you could ever have thought. And since it's still something fairly new, I think it's been up for like 4 months or so, you still have a great opportunity to be out there before it gets really saturated. Another way you can actually grow your channel with the ASMR short feature is by increasing your views. Oh my god, I have seen lots of ASMRtists, very little ASMRtists getting lots and thousands of views from the ASMR shorts, and this is actually recorded as per part of their statistics or the analytics. But the sad part, which I know is a question many ASMRtists are trying to answer, is do you actually get to have an increased watch time? Does the time actually count from when people watch your short? The answer is yes and no. Yes, in the sense that if someone actually watches your short from your channel page, it definitely counts in addition to the watch hour requirement you probably are looking for. But if they're just watching it from the story/shorts category or place, it will not count. So this is just like the disadvantage of the YouTube shorts, but do not forget that you get to get that awareness out there. You get to have lots of people who get to see you and probably could subscribe to your channel because they like what they're seeing from this short. And this is such an amazing opportunity because honestly, everyone is jumping into it. Even the queen herself, GB ASMR, just announced that she's gonna have her own personal shorts channel, which is awesome. Please go check that out. And it's just really awesome because now everyone is just given that opportunity to really pull themselves out there. And it's why it's even more crazy. It is so simple to make. Okay, if you just have the time right now, you can actually make your first ASMR shorts. It is not hard. You just have to make sure that the video is vertical. You have to make sure it's under 1 minute, and please do not forget to use the hashtag shorts. Hashtag shorts. This is so important, okay? Make sure you have that in your description. You can also have that in your title, just so you can let YouTube algorithm to know that this is actually shorts and they should put it in that category. But a little tip while using the YouTube short or the ASMR short feature is please do not do something that you actually do not normally do on your channel or you are not planning to do on your channel, because if a YouTube short were to go viral and let's say you actually get like 50,000 views from your YouTube short for a particular trigger you do not usually do, it could actually end up hurting your channel, because the people who get to subscribe from watching the shorts will be expecting more of that trigger, and then when they finally come to your channel and they see that you actually do not do that, it could be quite disappointing, and it could just lead to unsubscribing or them not just being engaged with your channel or actually watching your video, because they know that what you actually promised in the shorts is not what you're delivering and it's not helping them in the process. Remember, ASMR is all about helping the viewers, and if you're not doing that with your content, it is not surprising that they would not want to engage with it. So please do something in terms of shorts. Make a short for something you know you can do later on in terms of the triggers, in terms of the video ideas. Just make sure it's something you know that you already have in your channel, so that if people actually watching it and subscribing, they will expect to see something similar. And I think this was actually a problem that I had myself, because I normally do role plays and I didn't really know how to integrate role plays into less than a minute. And I think that's why I did the shorts just once, and I just slow down. I was like, how do I actually get to incorporate this? And it took me a while, honestly, to actually think of a way, but I think recently I just found out a way that I feel should be good. But the whole thing is that you should just take your time to think about it, to not rush the whole process, and make videos that you think are trending or triggers that you think people really like, but you know that you normally do not make them on your channel, or you're never planning to make them. So yeah, that is all for the YouTube shorts. It's something you just have to do vertical, under 1 minute, use the hashtag, and upload. And remember, you can do as much and as many as you want. It is just 1 minute, so you can actually have YouTube shorts done every day on your channel, which actually sounds awesome right now. So thank you for watching. I hope this was helpful. If you do have any questions, you can just let me know, because I'm really excited about this channel and just really talking about ASMR and how to grow. I think this is something I actually have a passion for, because I really like to just research and study. So if you do have any questions, you have something I really like, you want to know about, I know ASMR is quite complex, and it's just like, untreaded areas that we don't really know so much about, that how to teach it. But if you do have a question, I would definitely love to make a video about it. So yeah, thank you for watching, and do have a lovely day.